Is that why you have it now, Papa Africa? On Constitution, no, near my visa. I was here such a moon. I did that.
Constitution, dear.
That was your patch up by Mike.
Kuna, a share of money in our soul. The moon sacre, I was saying Yabotre. Pa, and yes, sir, Nansevia, Kubakunya, and one smaka. Very serious. You say, I say, Akola Usian Antieno. Just because I would need to know how to feel, and not just also 1 and 90.
Okay, anyway.
And the 30 years, you know, and go for started saying, ye business mono. Me na me person ka kura ni bibi na fi yihunu baby ayeko
yes
baby ayeko akuduru ansa na business asesa na constitution e wo ho no se wo hwe nkofo omo constitutional assembly
consultative assembly no
fishermen na ka mo ko se gwo mu fishermen kanu de be
hairdressers
obia e de na dwene bai na saa time so pateku su tesoro go say you see a pekwa bia ono so na bubedwo na obepene bai
bodi e
ono akọ
ya kika bi she man
ejagwaje no re pateku ra
e mana kro enti no emre bi wo ho a na nka wo say ye se mu so ye de ni nyina se ne o man be yi e be shem oh ni mo bia na emre aso say ye sesa e bia o se ye de ntoboase ni ye hwemu yie pa anye saa ye be fa once na ho akwa bri yiku ana ye be suru atacha ko hyene mpaboa oh se uhwemu a American constitution kakra British constitution kakra ena ye de bomu ye di
awiraho
oh awiraho
si aburu ya ikwadwofo
no onza
ya wo yusu kwadwofo no de me no nya adwene
onza there's a hybrid
strong too strong for a nation like Ghana.
But yes, me blow my mind.
Yes,
I boy,
to say
the constituents or Mokotna say a planning and make say they did so under some Ibia.
But also American law.
No, but
I didn't say law. I say American Constitution part be account and a British Constitution.
So even we are
democracy.
Yeah, baby, we pick over constitution. America,
but it's reflecting more with your conditions.
Democracy, no, we practice alien to our culture.
Yes, that's true.
I did just say, Basa.
Say you Ghana, you need democracy.
Yeah, no,
say me papa de or the tenine buy no be bro one wa beji ha.
But you bet my blending I reform to reflect.
With what? Oh blending what with what? Asisa bebre. Eso obi ane ne.
Emu dia na akofa.
E de obi kwa papa odi ajade. Obi di ofa. Obi di enema bebre.
You bet my pimpama sie. It is possible.
56 different dialects and cultures. And Ghana how. It's not easy. And you know, near Omwayen is saying it's not I mean a lazy man's type of approach.
But there's the need for us to make changes.
Me can't say changing necessary. Changing necessary. Saying yes, independent constitution. You know how many constitutions? This is about the fourth or fifth. But your changes that you are talking about in 60 years. See, be 4 or 5 times. It's in order. So it's not as cheap as to describe Ghanaian as lazy
in politics.
Debbie. Session view like currently no. Omo advocate say was a separation of powers here. Or say parliament is separate from the executive and the judiciary. A binumu kre kasa as against how the Supreme Court judges are appointed.
Yeah.
And the sealing.
No.
A binumu kasa against constitution, no, say or say ubi free cabinet minister for region BR. Meanwhile, we are not talking about ethnic group in it, tribal but constitution is telling you say or say ukofu be free. Every
regional
region,
balance.
Regional balance. Good. Or say every region those days, you know. Now cabinet members should not be less than 19. Good. Say you know, there were 16 regions.
Yeah.
And how do you go about all these things? And easy chipping in left, center, or right. See, no, every 3 months, be always say on file list of cabinet ministers. Because over here now, some you will be a film. You will be a shame because 19 on here, you know, I will hold it. Now, a banisa. And if you say, a year, give more time, kakra, my way a grower. Therefore, you who say a team call. Now, more practicing, say parliament for the Omo, a uni baby. Now, a year me say, and Omo speech, you know, a whole lot of people were talking about military intervention. Yeah, can't take 10 years of our current politics. Now, I say, why military? Now, because you're too way go, busy, I will say you're too good. When you say, if you say a threat, they shouldn't have even allowed people to be mentioning that. Because we'll be in parliament, 10 years, ED, and the Eka Hwasem. Nankania by Chamudi. And when you're soldier for the okay. Ghana Kusa Abba attempted, successful. A year by 30. Meet me a catch say, move 25. Na civilians are touching.
They don't have civilians.
Don't praise the military.
Or at least they need to be praised.
Mami Jane and also Ghana
need to be praised.